food and water is on my desk. So she's just right there eating. See, even the background, when I click on that, even you can see the mesh on the back, but on this one, I don't see that mesh. You know, all this time I've been calling it Canva fabric. It's Cordura. Cordura fabric. Well, I don't know why the backing is so different on this one.
I don't know.
Because it's not even what it looks like. If you click that link.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
You can see like the fabric webbing on the background.
Yeah.
This one you cannot see. It wasn't ordered at the same time, but it was a, buy it again kind of thing.
Yeah, it was through Amazon where you can just buy again if you want more, but yeah, and it says I purchased 2 times, which I did.
Mm-hmm. So I can't figure out, and I didn't notice it before. I've had it for a while. I don't know when you ordered it the last time.
That's not the stuff you bought that you didn't like, is it? It's the same color?
No, this is the last one you bought me, because I was like, don't order that much, and you're like, oh, sorry, oops, click, and bought it anyway. But it's just been sitting over there because I was going through what I already had.
Yeah.
So I didn't pay attention.
I wonder if they just sent the wrong shit.
I don't know, but now it's been so long. I
know. Since October of last year.
Yeah. This is the inside. So that's not a problem. I'm worried about the stability of it, and it has it's going to have a lot of weight in this backpack. He carries anywhere between 50 and 100 pounds worth of stuff. So this backpack has got to hold up. I'm just worried it's not going to be as strong. I mean, if I have to redo it, I may have to order more fabric. The problem is this stuff is super expensive.
Yeah, it's like
$16 a yard.
Yeah.
It's $16 a yard. Which I guess is not horrible, but it's also not. I mean, if I have to make him another one, I'll make him another one, but.
Well, that sucks that it's in the same shit.
Yeah, I'm just worried it won't hold up as well, but I mean, pretty much this is the guinea pig backpack anyway. So yeah. I mean, I wouldn't even. I mean, it definitely doesn't stretch. I'm not feeling any difference that way.
Well, you're giving it a pretty good tug to keep it a rip too, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I was actually like you would a bag, a bag.